guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Coffee.
You need to do this damn hook.
Coffee, coffee, coffee. Today's video, as you can see by the title, is exciting because Nadine Lustre has a new movie. And I read some of it. I read some details about this movie and it looks like James Reid is not in it. I thought it was James Reid and Nadine.
Ouch.
So I think it's something else.
He got cut.
I'm excited.
Oh, well.
You know what? Because we've only been watching her music videos and her Instagram rate.
Yeah.
I don't really know how she acts. I don't really know how she moves and how she talks. So I can't wait to see at least in this trailer.
That's amazing that she's a full performer, basically.
Yeah, she's a singer. She's a director, producer. She has a makeup line. They have their fashion brand. She's all over the world.
She's
Nadine.
everywhere.
Nadine, if you want to send us some of your fashion clothing for us to review and try on, we're both small, sometimes medium, depending on the size.
We're medium pop.
Our address is linked down below. So, before we begin, make sure to like this video, you guys. And Nadine, if you are ever in Toronto, contact us and we'll go for brunch. Without further ado, let's go right into the video. Subscribe.
ULAN.
Do you know what that means?
It's, a fake version of Mulan.
There's a typo.
So it's gonna be exactly the same story, but for copyright reason, they took away, they lost the M, and they kept ULAN.
What do you think that... So no, let me tell you. ULAN in my language means rain.
Rain?
Yeah. So what do you think the movie is about? Let's predict it from that. To make it fun. I think the movie is about tragedy. Like, you know how rain sometimes is like tragic and there's storm. There's a lot of challenges in Nadine's life. Maybe in a relationship, they're going through a bad times in the relationship.
No, I think it's just, it talks about the monsoon season.
The monsoon season.
And I think she's just gonna, she has bad hair every single day.
Bad
she's
hair. Struggling.
The movie.
So every time...
Don't repeat my words. So the movie is about her trying to figure out a hairstyle that actually...
Hairstyle, okay. So,
bitch.
So every time she straightens her hair and it rains outside...
Then she cries because it goes back wavy.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're very good.
And then she's forced to stay in her room, messy room from the previous video.
She's OCD. People are saying she's OCD. So
I hope that's true, Nadine.
She's OCD. She likes to clean.
Because I like it clean, nice and clean.
Fabio does like it nice and clean. Anyway, without further ado, let's go watch the video.
You can remember.
There we go. Rain, ULAN. Right away. Very literal.
Oh. Is she the one singing?
Is that her singing?
Good, so she doesn't have to pay for copyrights.
Well, rain, rain, what tidings did you bring? Oh my god, this movie I think is not like any other typical movie. It sounds like it is gonna be one of those nice indie films, you know?
Oh, I'm excited. I like the beginning, I have to say.
I like the beginning already too. Oh, I
like this
the
transition fade to black.
I like the videography. What? Is this a horror film?
Oh.
Mystery. Oh, she's so pretty.
But why the kid was surrounded by balloons?
I think that was... There are balloons. I think that's her when she was a kid.
Oh.
I like the color tone.
Oh my god, it's a horror movie.
I think it's a horror movie.
Tell me.
Let me just say that Philippines has the best horror movies ever. Like, I've watched Hollywood films, indie films about horror movies, but Filipino movies about horror films are, I think it's like...
Really?
You should watch one. There's always a story behind it. There's always a ghost behind it. I like it. But what is this movie about? Carlo Aquino.
Still raining.
Here
she
we
has
go
beautiful
again.
hair though the entire time. Oh my god, is Marco Gumavoma?
How do you know Filipino? I think it's something about power.
Oh wow, I like this
Like
poetry.
magic.
This few lines written there.
And she smiled. What is it about?
Sabi nila, ang mga alikabok daw ay mga munting bulalakaw. Space dust. Tayong lahat daw ay nanggaling sa isang malaking bituin na sumabog noong unang panahon.
I'm so curious. I feel like it's something about ghosts, power, magic.
Interesting. Oh wow, I love him.
How do you know him?
I follow him on Insta.
I don't even know him.
Feeling ko talaga sinumpa ako eh.
Oh, she's cursed?
Magandang nangyayari sa akin, bigla na lang uulan.
Sinisi mo pa yung ulan.
Something happens to her every time it rains.
Oh.
Oh.
Not
so,
just bad hair, but
So you're right, she's gonna have a bad hair, but
Yeah.
something else too.
Sinusumpa ko yan, Bax. Hindi na ako iiyak. Ano yung mga sana mo?
it's nice photography.
I like it.
Hindi na matapos.
Balang araw, masasaktan ka, Maya.
Oh. And how that happened with a smile. Oh, that's so interesting.
Oh, that's a good trailer.
Yeah, it's a very good trailer.
That's a good trailer. I wanna know more.
Yes, that's interesting. It teases you. March
13, 2019.
Very soon.
Is there more?
Mm.
But why do they do that? Why do they post the trailer a month only?
I think they're gonna
Before.
create maybe different trailers to tease people.
Oh, leading up to it. But you know how Hollywood films they release a trailer the year before and then more
Yeah.
trailers coming up. But
This is so interesting.
It's
I
poetic.
knew this was coming because I follow Marco and I kept seeing on his Instagram something about this movie. So I was like, or I think stories, I don't remember, something about a movie anyways. So I was like, oh my god.
it looks like it's gonna be an interesting film for sure. So I'm excited. I can't wait. I feel like I will see it actually. And like I said, it's one of those, it looks like the vibe that I got from it looks like one of those indie films.
I'm very curious about these balloons at the beginning.
I think that was when she was a kid and she was having all those trauma, I think, or challenges. Like
Yeah.
she said, when every time it raised, something happens to her.
Yeah, like a balut. She's forced to eat a balut.
Yeah, full grown balut.
Oh my god.
Beaks, feathers, and
Disgusting.
wings. Anyway, comment down below what you guys think about the trailer. We are so white. And let us know if you guys like the trailer and are you excited to watch the movie or
Oh
something.
my god, so many of you recommended it. So
Yeah, so I'm excited to see it.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna watch it, I think.
Nadine, don't copyright us on this trailer, thank you. That would be much appreciated.
Don't include.
Don't be shady!
Anyway, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.
Guys.
I'm including it.
Oh,